Are you, am I, are teachers in general needed anymore in the education field? I mean, we have all this new technology, we have AI, personalizations. What is our purpose as teachers? And are we outdated? Now, I've been doing this job for 20 plus years, and I'm going to tell you this. Teachers are needed more now than ever. AI is great. I mean, I use it for my YouTube channel. I use it personally. Don't get me started on ChatGPT and those images. I go crazy on that stuff. But the reality, that's a tool. And that's just a tool for learning. But having tools for education has never been a problem. I mean, we go back, you think the original tool is a book, right? And then from there, I mean, when I was growing up, it was like computer. Oh my gosh, computer is a tool. Then, oh my gosh, the internet, that is a tool. And every step of the way, the thought is our teachers needed any more. And now the most latest and awesome tool out there is AI. But here's the reality. Students don't learn because of the tool. They don't. What students need is support. Now, I'm not talking about educational support necessarily. What I'm talking about is they need that emotional support, that personal support, more than anything else, that accountability. And AI or any of these other tools do not provide that. And this doesn't just apply to students, this applies to all of us. I mean, think about this here. One goal I have, as well as everybody else has, is to get fit, to lose weight, get healthy, get fit. We have all the information out there. We have it all. And we now have all these tools. I mean, you can look at everything. You have videos, you have apps, you have all these tools needed. But how many of us actually are getting fit? Because what's missing for us and most people is that accountability. I'll give you a personal example here. Several years ago, my wife was on a journey to get really healthy, and there's all this information out there. She knew exactly what she needed to do and everything, but the problem is it was hard staying focused. And what happened is she eventually found a place called CrossFit. And now, if you've ever been to CrossFit, it's a whole other ball game. It's a whole other level of workout. But she found CrossFit. And what she found at CrossFit was not just the workout. It was the people. It was the accountability. And with that, she got, oh my gosh, without that transformation was incredible. Next thing I know, she is pushing cars. She is climbing ropes. She is doing things I could only imagine doing. And it wasn't the information. It wasn't the tools. It was that support, the accountability. And the same thing is for our students. Let me give you a real example here. And if you lived during the COVID years, you know what I'm talking about. During the COVID years, everything went to online. We were not meeting in person. Everything was online. We had the technology. We were able to, have students work on different programs and everything else. So the technology was there. And if it's just the tools needed to be success, our kids would have reached extreme success because that was all the tools, the technology. But what happened? The levels tanked. The reading levels, the math levels, the skills all went down. Not because the tools weren't there, it's because of the distance learning, the accountability wasn't there. And so when back to that question, are teachers going to be replaced by AI or all of these other new things coming around? The answer is no, because teachers are needed. That accountability is needed. And one thing that schools provide built into the system is a community. That's the biggest rage right now, is a community, because you have all this information, this technology and everything else, but what's missing is that community, is that connection with other people, like-minded people working together towards a common goal. And if you could get a community going, oh my gosh, that is transformational. School is a built-in community. When students come here to a school, if the school is doing it right, they have a culture, a community, and students are automatically brought into that. And if that community is one of success, one of progress, one of achievement, and then you have the accountability from teachers, the principal, and other students, you got a recipe for success. So yes, technology, wonderful. But are we going to be replaced? Far from it. And what we have here is the foundation of things with all these tools that can lead to great success.